So here we are at our little track. We're in the making. We're gonna hopefully make it a bit bigger. So we come down this little strip here, and this is the entrance to the track. And now we're gonna do a little bit of a tour. So as we go through here, we've got our first little turn here. We're gonna hopefully make that into a big berm.
Have a jump in here.
We're gonna hopefully put a jump here as well. And as we come across the driveway, we're gonna hopefully put another berm in here. Got a little dip here, which we're hopefully gonna make a jump on. Got a little mound that we go over. Then we go back over the driveway into another hopeful berm. And we come back across here. And then we got our big jump here. As we come up here, turn around here, and we go up here. They got a nice little jump there over some logs. And then where these guys are riding now is hopefully gonna be some whoops. A little straight into some whoops. And now they're gonna go do a lap of the track, and we'll see you next time.
What a good video. Big jumps, big skids, 0 stacks. So, you made it to the end of the video and you're thinking, what's next? Well, there's a little circle thing with our new nice looking logo. You gotta click on that, you gotta hit subscribe, because these stats up here are absolutely terrible. And then make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notifications for our new videos. And then once you've done that, you can go through and watch all our other videos, but make sure you subscribe. What are you two doing here? This is my time to shine. This isn't for you two. Just click this, okay? Right here, this one here. YouTube recommends it. It's obviously better than whatever that one. This one's the way to go. Listen to this one in the middle. It's probably the shortest one. No, best quality one. This one, you know, YouTube knows your times already. Watch it. Just watch this one. YouTube's not back. That one, and then you can also subscribe. Listen to this. Prove me correct. This one. This one first.